Assalamualaikum everyone, and I am Aladdin Jamil. My topic is the Tausug tribe of Mindanao, a rich history of culture. So the Tausug people, also known as the people of the current, or are prominent indigenous group residing in the southern Philippines, particularly in the Sulu archipelago and the southern western portion of Mindanao. Their name reflects their close relationship with the sea, as Tausug translates to people of the current in their native language, Tausug. So, ang mga Tausug na kilala bilang mga tao ng kasalukuyan ay isang kilalang katutubong grupo na naninirahan sa Timog Pilipinas. So, particular sila sa kapuluan ng Sulu at Timog Kanlurang bahagi ng Mindanao. So, ang kanilang pangalan ay sumasalamin sa kanilang malapit na kaugnayan sa dagat. So, dahil ang Tausug ay nangunguhulugan mga tao ng Agos sa kanilang sariling wika. So, sa history is steeped in maritime tradition. So, the Tausug have a rich history deeply intertwined with the maritime trade and explorations. So, their ancestors were skilled seafarers who navigated the waters of the Southeast Asia. So, establishing trade routes and culture exchanges with neighboring communities. So, they were known for their prowess in shipbuilding and seafaring, mastering the art of building and sailing the lipa, a traditional Tausug boat. So, sa kasaysayan ng maritime, ang mga Tausug ay mayaman sa kasaysayan na nakaugat sa kanilang kalakalang pandagat at pagkalugad. Ang kanilang mga ninuno ay mga bihasang marino na naglalakbay sa mga tubig ng Timog Silangang Asya, nagtatag ng mga ruta ng kalakalan at palitan ng kultura sa mga kalapit na Timog Silangang Asya. Sila ay kilala sa kanilang husay sa paggawa ng mga bangka at paglalayag, particular sa sining ng paggawa at paglalayag ng lipa, isang traditional na bangka ng Tausug. So, ayan po yung larawan ng lipa boat. So, their history is also marked by a strong sense of independence and resistance. So, they fiercely defended their homeland against external forces, including Spanish and American colonial powers. This spirit of independence is reflected in their cultural heritage and continues to shape their identity today. So, ang kanilang kasaysayan ay puno ng diwa at kalayan at paglaban kung saan matibay nilang ipinagtanggol ang kanilang lupain laban sa mga panlabas na Persa, kasama na ang mga kolonyal na kapangyarihang Espanyol at Amerikano. Ang diwang ito ng pagsasarili ay makikita sa kanilang kultural na pamana at patuloy na humuhubog sa kanilang pagkakakilanlan hanggang sa ngayon. So, a vibrant culture. The Tausug culture is vibrant tapestry woven with traditions, beliefs, and artistic expressions. Their language, Tausug, is a distinct Austronesian language with its own unique grammar and vocabulary. Ang mga kultura ng Tausug ay isang masigla tapestry at tradisyon. So, ang kanilang paniniwala at masining na pagpapahayag ng kanilang wika. Tausug ay isang natatanging wika ng Austronesian na may sariling gramatika at bokabularya. So, key aspect Tausug include, so number 1 is Islam. The Tausug are predominantly Muslim. So with Islam playing a central role in their daily lives and social structures. So Islam ang Tausug ay ang pangunahing Muslim at ang Islam ay may mahalagang papel sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na buhay at structure na lipunan. Number 2 is family and kinship. Family and kinship are highly valued in Tausug society, with extended families playing a vital role in social support and community cohesion. Family and kinship or pamilya at kaugnayan, mataas ang pagpapahalaga sa pamilya at kaugnayan sa lipunan Tausug, kung saan ang mga extended family ay mahalaga sa suporta at pagkakaisa ng komunidad. Number 3 is art and crafts. The Tausug are renowned for their interstate weaving, particularly the Pishabit, a traditional Tausug hand-woven cloth adorned with complex geometric designs. They also excel in wood carving, metalwork, and beadwork. So, ito po yung example ng Pishabit. Number 4 is music and dance. So, the Tausug music and dance are characterized by their rhythmic and energetic styles, often featuring instruments like kulintang, a set of small gongs, and the kudyapi, a 2-string lute. So, ito po yung mukha ng kudyapi or 2-string lute. So number 5, food and cuisine. So the Tausug cuisine is a delicious blend of Malay, Arabic, and indigenous influence. Popular dishes include sati, a flavored chicken dish, sinugba, grilled seafood, and pancit noodles. Alam naman natin yung pancit noodles. So ito yung example ng sati. Tapos ang sinugba is seafood. So yun lang po, salamat.